fans, and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we've got X503-17 for you that we filmed back on April 19th. This one's going to be a manifest train making its way south from Chicago's Clearing Yard down to Nashville, Tennessee. We catch it just on the north side of Nashville, coming through Nashville National Cemetery. It's got a couple of UP motors on it. We're going to see UP 9625 up front, along with a CSX SD70 4554. And then mid-train, we're going to see a DPU of UP 7035. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll be back soon with a new one for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below
or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.